Hey everybody, Chris here. In this video, we're talking about the risk and reward of investing in Dogecoin. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. And we did have another dip on Sunday in Dogecoin, but that also happened across the crypto market. There's still a lot of negativity out there and a lot of bears thinking the price is going to go much lower. But is it? Is it really going to go lower? And what is the risk and reward for Dogecoin? Let's go ahead. Let's take a look at the charts and the news, and I'll show you what I'm looking at. And we start here looking at the Dogecoin chart right now at about 9.7 cents. And here is the drop we had coming all the way down to 9.4 on Sunday. That drop followed a drop in Bitcoin. Bitcoin dropped as low as 57.2, just under about 57,150. Bitcoin has recovered, though, most of its ground, as has ETH. ETH is actually recovering a little more, but Doge still struggling to get back up to this 995 level where it was. This white line here, this was my price prediction from my video yesterday. So that price prediction, if you didn't see the price prediction video, check that out on my YouTube channel there. What I'm going to talk about today, though, isn't so much a price prediction, but more the risks in Dogecoin, as well as the rewards, particularly on the dip that we had here yesterday coming down to 9.4 and where we are at 9.7. Where could this lead for Dogecoin going forward? Again, price prediction. That was my video yesterday. Today, we're going to be talking about risks and rewards. Overall, Dogecoin is still the 8th largest cryptocurrency by market cap, ahead of Tron and behind XRP. Toncoin still trying to recover, and Cardano still down at number 11. Overall in the crypto bubbles, very mixed. We have quite a mixed lot here, and here's Doge right in the middle here, about down 1.7. So we do have some more in the green, recovering more, but others still higher in the red. So Dogecoin keeps bleeding. That's what we've had with these sequential drops in the price, now holding below 10 cents. So we're in this precarious position here with the current Dogecoin level, but risk-reward ratio now favorable, a trader states. So what is this risk-reward that we're talking about here? So Doge has had a poor performance compared to many meme coins, not all though, because there are still a lot of low market cap tokens out there that have huge risk and also could have huge reward. But as I've said, that's like finding a needle in the haystack. You don't know which is going to be the next Doge, Sheeb, or Pepe. Which are the ones of all of those thousands upon thousands that are created each day? Which of those are going to be the ones that go up? As I'm saying, if you want to play it with a little bit of your portfolio, a small percentage, you might want to chase one, but I wouldn't start chasing it until it actually had secured a certain level of market cap. And do your research too into who the devs are and is the community a real community or not, and all of that. But we come back to Doge and thinking just about Dogecoin, because we know Dogecoin has gone on a run before. 2020 into 2021 was a huge run for Doge. We also look back in 2016, 2017, previous huge run as well. Can that happen again? So this is Anbessa, and Anbessa had accurately predicted Doge's 8,000% rally in the past. And now it's like we're in this meme bull market kind of without Doge, because some memes have been going up while Doge has been struggling. Well, Doge did have a big run again back in February, March, up to 22 cents, but since then has been bleeding out, as the title had suggested. So despite a lot of current focus on newer meme coins, Anbessa has made a strategic move. I've recently started accumulating Doge. This decision is based on speculation that the Dino coin, that's Doge being the OG meme coin, might rally towards the end of the current meme cycle. And Bessa says this is a calculated risk, citing a favorable risk-reward ratio. And Bessa tempers expectations, noting that even if Doge reaches $1, it would be a nice 10-bagger, yes, a 10x from here, but it's not the same generational wealth setup. Well, again, a 10x is huge in investing terms. We were spoiled by many other big meme runs that saw even more, like 100x's and more. And again, those are the chance of being on board one of those when it starts moving is so slim that now we're looking back at a 10x. A 10x return is awesome. The realistic outlook contrasts sharply with the euphoria of past Doge rallies. But this is a real opportunity, though. And then we have Altcoin Sherpa here, and we'll look in detail here. Altcoin Sherpa says, again, risk reward, right? Here's the risk on Doge and how this Doge chart is looking in 2024. Pains me to say, but Doge probably keeps bleeding until the 8s. I still think this is probably a decent one for this cycle for passive investors, but is how he leaves it there. It's like, yeah, Doge down here, below 10 cents. Could it actually come down into the 8s? Do we see a drop in the Doge to take out all of this liquidity out down here? Is that where Doge is headed? That is the risk there that we're looking at. Ali says Dogecoin is showing a bullish divergence against the RSI in the 4-hour chart, with the TD indicator flashing a buy signal. That's right, a buy signal. These positive signs suggest a potential price rebound for Doge on the horizon. So this 9.4 cent drop could be it. And from here, Doge is set to move higher on increased buying at these levels. So when we talk about risk reward for Dogecoin, what's the biggest one? Well, of course, it is Elon Musk and the Elon Musk effect. Is it waning on Dogecoin, or are we looking for something big to come for Doge? First, last week, we had a dismissal of the class action lawsuit, which could mean that Elon could start tweeting about Dogecoin again openly, as opposed to all these little winks and nods that he's been doing over the past couple of years. That is certainly one of them. Also, Elon has hinted about a return for Doge payment option for Tesla merch. This came for Sir Doge of the Coin, who said, who else wants Tesla to bring back the Dogecoin payment option for merch? And Elon said, me. So that would be awesome, and it would be a start, although I would prefer it even went as far as a Dogecoin option for buying Tesla cars. But first things first, that would be okay. And then another one more recently was a response to Musk's tweet about Starlink's frozen assets in Brazil. Sir Doge of the Coin wittingly told Elon that Starlink could have avoided the situation if it had embraced Dogecoin, which then, because he said Dogecoin fixes this, and Elon replied, you make a good point. So what is Bitcoin's influence on Dogecoin? Well, overall, Dogecoin tends to trade along with Bitcoin, but we see on the dips, Dogecoin usually dips harder than Bitcoin, and it loses more on its Doge BTC pairing each time. So that's the risk of Doge just trading along with Bitcoin. But if Elon actually does something with Dogecoin, whether it's SpaceX, Starlink, Tesla, or how about on X? Actually, Twitter actually incorporating Dogecoin. Those are the things that would set Dogecoin up for that huge reward. So this was the ex-Twitter post of Elon saying, you make a good point about Dogecoin. So another thing about bank accounts and how you can debank yourself by using cryptocurrency. So Elon is thinking about that. Can Dogecoin reach $1? Well, again, the reward, right? That would be that 10x. And that 10x, I think, is really based on utility. I don't think Dogecoin is going to reach $1 on hope. Hopium isn't going to make it there. And just memes and silly jokes is not going to get Dogecoin there. It's going to be utility. Actually embracing Dogecoin as a currency. And a lot of that is riding on Elon. So again, we've looked at what that reward could be, looking at the 4-year cycles, 2016 into 2017, with this intersection, which led to a surge in the price. Again, in 2020, this intersection, which led to a surge in the price. And then here we are again at an inflection point. Could this be the intersection that then leads Dogecoin higher? Could it not only get to $1, but maybe even 2 or 3 or more? Again, that is the reward. That's the reward for Dogecoin. Now, without it, could it just follow Bitcoin? Sure, it could. And here we have Bitcoin looking like on the weekly, that golden cross is coming. We've been talking about it. We're now in September. Others were predicting it was going to be in July. And I said, no, it's the end of the summer is what it looked like to me. And we're getting close here. Never seen this before. This could trigger the most explosive bull run yet. And this is on Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin goes on a run up to 100K toward the end of the year, we're going to see the whole crypto market going up there. That is the reward. So we have the reward in sight of what could happen Bitcoin, what could happen even Dogecoin, but we also have to think about the risk, and do we risk other further dips? So let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think about this Dogecoin risk reward? Give the video a like. Also, be sure to check into my next live stream Monday at 4 o'clock. Yes, even on Labor Day, I will be live. Come join in. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you have your notifications on. We'll see you next time.